To create an account in BandLab, go to www.bandlab.com. Go across to the right and sign up. Enter your name, your email. You don't need to use your original email, you can use @example.com, and if you find someone's taken it, you can put the number 1, 2, 3 or whatever after your first name and create a password. Then sign up. You can set up a profile, add a picture, you can change your username, make sure you do it in lowercase letters, and if your username already exists, try a different one. Then continue. Which musical journey are you on? Here to make music, connect with fellow creators, or perhaps do both? Tell us so we can create a tailored experience just for you. Artist, social musician or fan? Well, we're going to be artists today. Tell us more about you. Well, I'm a drummer, keyboards, songwriter, DJ, fan. That'll do for now. Pick your favourite genres: rock, pop, R&B, electronic, jazz, Latin, blues, metal, other. And you're in. To start creating your music, head up to the top right and you're straight into the mix editor, where you can choose from instruments, record your voice or mic, play a drum machine, plug in a guitar or a bass and use the sampler, and down here import audio or MIDI file or MP3, or go to BandLab Sounds where all BandLab's pre-recorded loops and samples are.